Start by removing the door retaining nuts. If you have the toolkit that came with your Jeep, use the largest Torx bit. If not, use the T50 bit. There is a storage compartment in the back of your Jeep to hold all the hardware in. Tucked up in the kick panel, you'll need to disconnect the door wiring as well as the door limiting strap. Next, lift the door off. You might have to swing it back and forth while lifting. Store your doors in a safe location. Steinjager offers portable door holders that disassemble to lay flat, like this one, or wall-mounted door holders. Once your doors are off, simply install the door and the hinge. Install the door hardware in the door with a washer on each side of the door. Just hand tighten at this point. Close the door and install the latch pin. The door will rattle initially. Tighten the Allen head bolt until the rattle just goes away. If you over-tighten the bolt, you won't be able to get the pin out. Make sure to check out all our other tube door accessories such as door nets, door mesh, arm pads, and mirrors. For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.